Today we're doing the unboxing for my new Electrolux Food Sealer. It comes with 10 bags, a manual, and here's the unit. It also comes with a C charger, but no base is included. Now here's our unit. It fits nicely in my hand and the power button is right on the top. We have 10 bags and these are some really good bags. The quality is very nice and they are reusable. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the vacuum sealer and show you how it works. I have some kidney beans. I place it in the bag. The kidney beans, this is about 2.5 pounds and it could hold more. And I place it in the bag, make sure that it's sealed properly. Then I put my vacuum sealer right over that circle and press the power button on the top. So now it's going and it's going in real time. So you'll see how it works in real time. Now it's coming to the end and it's gonna shut off automatically. So now we have our beans, it's nice and sealed and it's ready to store. I'm also trying out some chicken and I have some juices in the chicken. So at the end, you're going to see that the juices got sucked up into the vacuum sealer, and that's normal because it's a vacuum, of course. And they made it so you can take off that bottom piece right there and just clean the area. The unit came fully charged, but when it's time for you to charge it, this is where you'll plug your C charger, and it comes with the C charger plug. You just need a regular USB base. And while it's charging, you'll see the lights blinking. So I like this vacuum sealer. It works very well and it's very compact, so it fits into small spaces.